Welcome to the second lesson of the Energy Changes topic. In this topic, the key questions are 1. What are reaction profiles for reactions? 2. How does energy change in chemical reactions? Key terms that you need to be familiar with. Reaction profiles, energy change. In today's lesson, we will talk about reaction profiles and energy changes of chemical reactions. Endothermic and exothermic processes can be described by energy diagrams. See below. In endothermic reactions, heat is absorbed and therefore the products will be on a higher energy level than the reactants. On the other hand, in exothermic reactions, heat is emitted and therefore the products will be on a lower energy level than the reactants. Task. Now please pause the video and think about how the pressure and temperature change during a chemical reaction. Extension. How can you describe the energy of a reaction mathematically? Usually, chemical reactions happen at atmospheric pressure. Therefore, the pressure is kept constant, but the temperature can change. Therefore, thermal energy should be defined for constant pressure. The energy diagrams above represent the energy change at constant pressure. The absolute value of energy cannot be determined. We always refer to energy change that is associated with a particular process. If energy change is less than 0, then the process is exothermic. And if energy change is greater than 0, then the process is endothermic. There is a direct relationship between the temperature change and the energy change. Task. Now please pause the video and try to define energy changes for combustion and formation of substances. Hint. Combustion is when something is fully reacting with oxygen, and formation is when a compound is formed from its elements. Extension. How can you describe the energetics associated with combustion? Combustion happens when a fuel is being burnt. For example, when coal is burnt via the reaction of C plus O2 to CO2. Energy change is associated with this, just like with any chemical reactions. In order to define the energy change, we need to know the energies of all the substances that take part in the reaction. C, O2, CO2. Every combustion process is exothermic, which means that the total energy of the products is less than the total enthalpy of the reactants.